An 80-gram sample of a radioactive isotope decays to 5 grams in 32 days. What is the half-life of this element? If you notice in this problem, they asked what is the half-life of this element. So we don't know what the half-life is, so that's what we're solving for. So we put a question mark there. And then it says an 80-gram sample of a radioactive isotope decays to 5 grams. So that means it starts with 80 grams and decays all the way down to 5 grams. So our starting amount is 80 grams. Our ending amount is 5 grams. And it says it does it in 32 days. Now, as a rule of thumb, I always tell my students to solve for the side that they give you both components on. But on our amount side, they give us a starting amount and ending amount. So we can go ahead and start there. So we have 80 grams here, which is our starting amount. Remember, we said our time always starts with 0. So now we're going to divide 80 grams by 2 until we get down to our ending amount, which is to 5. 20 divided by 2 is 10. And then 10 divided by 2 is 5. So we can stop there. And our ending time is 32 days. So now we can put it right across from our ending amount. So the question is, how do we find our half-life? We take the number of half-lives that we went through and divide it into 32. So for example, we went through 1, 2, 3, 4 half-lives. So I'm going to take 32 and divide it by 4, and that's going to give us 8. So our half-life is every 8 days.